Okay, now I'm still going to show you how to create a basic and simple presentation on Genially. So if you're in a rush, so if you want to create such a good presentation slide, but you don't have time for that, you just want to create a basic and simple presentation slide. So this is how you do it. First, of course, you start your project by create Genially. So you can choose which kind of project you want to create, which can be an interactive image, video presentation, infographic, guide, more training materials. But now we're going to start with presentation. Yeah. So we create our presentation. First, we click the presentation. Okay. Gotta wait a little bit. Now we can see all the templates that the website provide us. You can see, so my version is, unfortunately, it's the free version, so there's still some template that uh, need upgrade into premium. So we need to upgrade into premium so you can get all these template. But that's all right. You don't have to be. It's not a big problem because there's still some template that is free for us to use. The template without the star or the premium sign is basically it's free for you to use. So just pick, first thing you need to pick your template, and let me pick this one. I think this one is pretty good actually. So let's just say we have a history presentation and we want to create a quick presentation slide. Okay, so this is basically the display of the content inside the template. So there are pages. The index page is going to be looks like this, and then there are some other pages, the title section. So basically you can see, and you can so you know what is inside the content of the template. So if you are sure enough to use this template, you just click this, use this template. There you go. Just wait for a little bit. It's going to load your template. So after you choose your template, there's going to be, you need to select, you need to do a selection of your template, which pages you're going to do. So you're just going to choose. Okay, so there are, for example, quote for section or index, of course, video. There are also map. There's also timeline, things like that. But you can still add a lot of things later. Okay, so let's just pick up some important pages. Title, of course, index, some section, title. Maybe we need to code. I don't. Maybe we don't need it. Okay, so we just choose our things. For example, comparison. We need comparison, process page, and the last chapter, the thanks page. Okay. Now, after you pick all of your pages, you just click add. Okay, you just wait until it load. It will be in no time, just in a couple seconds. You'll be ready to edit your own presentation slide. So now we are moving to the editing part. So we got a loading screen right now. We gotta wait for a little bit. So basically, generally, it's pretty similar like Canva. It's also an online website designing website. So you can create your own design just like in Canva, but there are some different there's some different feature between the two, between Canva and Genially. But but both websites are good at their own features. So let's just for example, we've already picked our pages here. There are 5 pages, I guess. Oh, 6 pages actually. Okay, now if you want to change, first you want to change this. For example, this is the history presentation, but you're gonna change the title here. For example, history of ancient Rome. Okay, you just type it like that, as simple as that. Or you can use the text right here. You can edit your own text. But if you already going fine with this text, or on the template, you can just use it. You can also move it around if you feel it's not looking good enough. You can change it. You can also edit it. There you go. The edit part is right over here. So you just edit it like that, and just make it smaller and bigger. It all depends on you. What else? It depends on what you want to do. So there are also some kind of things that you can do, like interactivity. Maybe if you click the text, it will guide you into another link or go to other page. It all depends on you, but that is going to be a further explanation. But today we're going to do just a basic presentation of how we're going to do, how we're just going to create a simple presentation. So if you can see here, this button here, start, is already had its own animation. It got animation and interactivity. I think there you go. So if you click this text over here, it's like a button. So if you press it, it will go to the next page. So let me display it for you. Preview. Okay, that way a little bit. So basically, this is the display of how it's going to start. It's going to do. So if you press start, it's going to lead you to the next chapter or to the next page. So this is like the other thing you can choose. I think you can press all this and leads you, but since we only got six pages, I think we cannot do that. We need to fix it ourselves. You can add image if you want to add your image, and other things. So we've already doing great with the title section. Now we're moving to the next section. Okay. Now good. Back to pages again. The index pages. If you like that, you can edit yourself. Maybe there's 6. Since there's only 6 pages, if you want to reduce all this, just delete it like that, then and it's gone. If you don't like this kind of thing, you can just delete it like that, delete it like that, delete it like that. Don't delete the page, of course. But if you want to return it, give it back, you can just press it like that, and it will be returned. Okay, just like that. We're just going to delete some of this index, just like that. There you go. Okay, I'm just going to delete it. First, we gotta pick it up first. Oh, there you go. Just going to delete it and delete it. That's good. Now, let's going to delete this one also. Oh wait, not the page again. Sorry. Okay. So after we delete it, now we change it. For example, we only have 6 pages, so we only need 6 pages in the index also. This is going to be the thanks page. There you go. You got yourself the index. Now that's how you do it basically, and then you can do it. You can change it. There's section section, title section here. Just use it pretty easily. You can change it into your own title section. For example, the beginning. The first chapter will be the beginning. There you go. You want to put the title here? You can put it, for example, how it started. There you go. Just do it like that. Pretty easy, pretty simple to use. If you don't like this kind of illustration, or maybe you want to move it somewhere else, you can move it like this, move it like this, like that, or you just want to delete it. It's alright. It's all up to you. So basically, that's how you do it. That's how you do a basic presentation slide. You can add your material here. You can just copy it and paste it and do some changing stuff. Of course, you can do everything with everything. You can do anything to everything in the pages, all the decoration, the text, all the stuff. You can edit it yourself. And then if you're finished, you can just do this. All set. Okay, just some things that you need to upgrade first, but basically it's good. So you just all set, and it will be saved. You can download it, but you need to upgrade it to premium. So we just present. There you go. You can just present it like that, and it will go uh, to the display pages. So you can use this basically if you're using Zoom or some application like that. You just need to share your screen, and it will show up in your share screen. You just click it right away, and you can use this basic, this simple basic presentation slide. So if you're in a rush or even have time for to do some detailed stuff, you just need a quick presentation slide, you can do this. This is pretty easy to use actually. Okay, that's all from me, so I'll give it back to myself on the other video. I will see you on the ending. Goodbye.